Guys, it's Lana here. Welcome back to Lana Summertime. Today the sun is shining, I'm feeling good, and I want to give my hair a little bit of a pamper treatment. It deserves it. It's been serving me pretty well lately. I've been doing a lot of hairstyling looks. I have been everywhere doing everything all the time, and that means that I've had to do a lot of quick fixes that I don't really like to do. And when I do them, I don't like to do them often. Like the curling iron on my fringe. I know, it's a sin. And then on top of that, I've been using certain products that aren't necessarily curly girl friendly. My hair doesn't really like it all that much. My hair needs help. It's pamper day for my hair. I'm also gonna throw in a little bit of a pamper day for my skin as well, because why not? Everything that I'm gonna use for my little pamper day today is by Coco and Eve. I've been using their hair mask for a couple of years now, and I'm really excited for some of the new products that they've launched. They're actually sponsoring today's video, and they gifted these. This is their super hydration kit. It comes with this nice little bag with a drawstring pulley on it. And I think that this is going to become my new little bag that I take with me whenever I travel. It just seems like the perfect bag to be carrying around my curly hair products in. So inside this kit, they have the super hydrating shampoo, the super hydrating cream conditioner, the super nourishing coconut and fig hair mask, tamer brush, and the hair shampoo brush. Sorry with the rustling. I'm using a new microphone. Let me know what you think of it. I've always loved their color coordination, like the pale pink and the dark green. It doesn't end there. I've also got their deep clean scalp scrub. I've never used a scalp scrub before, and I've got no idea what to expect. So this is my hair right now. She's looking a little bit crazy. She's looking a little bit dry. She's looking a little bit resentful for the way that I've been treating her, but we're gonna fix it. We're gonna sort everything out. So we're gonna start off with the pre-shampoo deep clean scalp scrub. I'm actually excited, you guys. I've never used anything like it. This has volcanic ash, AHAs, BHAs, coconut shell powder, and it's designed to exfoliate and turn over dead skin cells and combat oil buildup. It also has caffeine to fortify and cooling peppermint essential oil to help soothe the scalp. So you apply this on damp hair, so that's why I've wet my hair, and that's before shampooing. It's a nice color. It's like green and it has all these particles running through it. Oh, this smells like chocolate mint. This smells amazing. But I'm just having one thought, that it has all these particles in it from the exfoliation. I don't know how easily these particles are going to get out of my hair. It does feel good though, it feels really nice. So I'm just applying this directly onto my scalp, and sectioning my hair really helps me to do that. That is actually hitting a few spots that I didn't know could be hit. So now I'm just going to rinse this out with some water. Okay, so my scalp is feeling amazing. It's feeling so like invigorated right now. So next up, I'm just going to shampoo my hair. Whenever I shampoo my hair, I always focus it on the tops first, and then depending how much of a deep clean my hair needs, I might also apply it directly onto the mid-lengths as well. You guys know the curly method, don't you? So in the Coco and Eve Super Hydration Kit, they actually supply everything you need. So there's even like a shampoo brush. I love these because these really help to get in way more thorough than what I can do like just with my hands. This like gets in, it stimulates your scalp, it lifts all of that dirt off your scalp. I feel like one of those cats when you put like the head massagers on them. I feel like that baby that's like, I didn't even realize how kind of clogged and irritated my scalp has been all week until I do this, and it's kind of just relieving so much tension on my scalp. I feel like everybody should do a big pamper session with their hair, like at least once a month, I think. Time to rinse. I'm gonna use some conditioner. You just feel that instant slip. Just get all the tangles out of my hair. Starting from the bottom, of course. And I'm just thinking about those particles from the scalp scrub. I can't feel any of those particles left over in my hair right now, but hopefully my hair being this kind of detangled and smooth is just really going to help any leftover particles just slide on out of my hair when I rinse this in a second. So I think that my little tactic worked, because this is the first time that I'm really seeing all of those scalp scrub particles in the bath after I've rinsed. So if you are worried about the particles in the scrub, then don't worry, because when you detangle your hair and when you've got all that conditioner on it, they will slide right on out. I'm going to use the Coco and Eve Like a Virgin Coconut and Fig Hair Mask. I've used it a bunch of times before. I know that I really love this mask. It makes my hair feel amazing. It's this. You probably have seen it because I've used it a lot before. Make sure that that's on the ends as well, because the ends need some love. brush this through to make sure it's evenly distributed. Do you say distributed or distributed? So I never really know what to say. Distributed, distributed. And there we go. You can wait 5 to 10 minutes or a little bit longer if you want to. And I'm going to use that time to just give the rest of my body a little bit of a pamper session as well. Is it really a spa session if you didn't get any tea? Question, what do you guys do when you're waiting for your hair masks and your face masks to work? Because I just be walking around. Skin is feeling refreshed, and now it's time to rinse this off. The hair is feeling soft, moisturized, nourished. I'm like pulling it and it's not like super elastic, it's not brittle, it's like feels strong, you guys. Leave-in conditioner, not too much leave-in conditioner. Next, some volumizing mousse. Guys, I'm like brushing through my hair and I realized that it's going really curly without me really using like any specific technique. I was about to run through it with a denim brush, but I'm thinking like, damn, is it necessary? It's doing the juicy curls all by itself. Hey guys, so I've been plopping my hair for about an hour now. I had some lunch, I did my makeup, and I'm actually going to use some of the Coco and Eve Miracle Hair Elixir because this has some heat protecting qualities and it helps to fight frizz. So it just sounds like it's perfect, honestly, for this diffusing that I'm about to do. Ooh, love hair elixir. So run that over my hair. It feels very lightweight. So I like to use the defining technique when I diffuse my hair. So that means I'm going to tip my hair forward and I'm going to very lightly hold the diffuser just like an inch away from my hair, not actually touching it, not shoving it, not scrunching it, because that will help you get volume, but I want definition more than I want volume. Okay, so my hair is mostly dry. A little bit of dampness around my roots, which is going to make it look a little bit flat for a little while, but I just want to let that air dry for a minute because I don't like using the hairdryer from start to finish. Sometimes I feel like that's a bit too much heat, but as you can see, it's got like a lot of movement, it's got a lot of body. It's the first time that I've done a scalp treatment, anything like that, and my scalp feels so invigorated and so just refreshed. And the rest of my hair is absolutely loving that mask. I always love that mask and it's just feeling so strong and hydrated. I guess I want to show you a little comparison of how my hair looked earlier, and you guys can see how it was looking dry and my scalp was a little bit flaky, just had those tangles and a lack of definition and all of that. And then this is my hair now. Oh, and another thing, I'm not seeing any traces of that scalp scrub at all, and I was genuinely worried that I would. I think the last time that I used some kind of hair treatment that had particles in it, I think it was like a DIY one, and I had pieces of it in my hair for ages, but this one has just washed right out. I'm not seeing it, I'm not feeling it anywhere in my hair. I think it's done its job and then it said goodbye, so really happy about that. I'm actually filming this on Halloween and I'm about to head out to a party, so I better go and get ready. But yeah, I'm loving the results for my hair right now, and I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please thumbs up, subscribe, turn on your notification, get me on Instagram, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!